Welcome to today's GeoSnap. In this short video, I will show you how to use the arcade in ArcGIS Experience Builder to create advanced formatting, including both dynamic content and dynamic styling. These features make your app smarter and more visually engaging. Let's start with dynamic content. This feature allows you to display text that updates automatically based on your data. I have an Experience Builder app that displays a list of schools on the left and a distribution map on the right, showing the location of each school in the list. Currently, the list includes school names and types, but I would also like each item to display its neighborhood. This can be achieved by applying dynamic content. First, I will click the text widget, which is already connected to my data source. The school type is currently displayed using an arcade expression. Next, I will add school neighborhood before the type. To do this, I will click the space before the arcade expression and select dynamic content. When I click it, I see three options: attribute, statistics, and expression. I will select attribute and apply the geolocal field directly, since all list items have their neighborhood values stored in this field. Now each list item dynamically displays its neighborhood. Next, let's look at the dynamic style. This lets you change the appearance of widgets based on data values. In this example, I want the background color of each school item to reflect its neighborhood. I open the list widgets and open the state setting. Navigate to Dynamic Style, and let's select Script. Since I already have my script prepared, I will paste it here directly in the Arcade's editor. Let's click Apply. Now each list item displays a different background color based on its neighborhood. You can also check our documentation on advanced formatting to learn more about dynamic content and dynamic styling, and how they can apply it through different examples. In summary, with Arcade, you can create dynamic content and styling that respond to your data, make your Experience Builder apps more interactive and visually appealing. For more tips, check out the Esri documentation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next GeoSnap.